Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I'm going to do a review on some of these things that I promised you guys. A lot of people asked me to let you guys know what I thought of different things here, and I've been meaning to do this, so I have a few things here that I'm going to show you guys. I have little P here with me, only because it's necessary right now because he will not stop screaming. He wants attention. So I have him here with me. Hope he's not too much of a distraction. But anyway, I pop on here, say hi. It's been a busy day. We had a doctor's appointment this morning. It was like an hour. It took us about an hour and 15 minutes to get there. It was awful, the traffic this morning. But yeah, it's been a long day, huh, P? But I wanted to get this video up here. I know it's kind of late. I don't usually put videos up this late. But first, I want to go over the Crafters, the Deco Art Crafters acrylic glitter paint. And just kind of show you how that stuff worked out. I did a little samples here. I know a lot of people have been curious. Dollar Tree just started. Come on, camera, focus. What is going on? Are we focusing or not focusing today? Interesting. Anyway, this is the Deco. Maybe I go back here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why this thing's being weird. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys. This one is the bright red glitter. Now this stuff goes on pretty much, I want to say, like the, and here comes the ambulance or something flying down my street, like always when I try to do a video. This stuff reminds me a lot of the glitter glue. The only difference I gotta say is the glitter paint does not shed like the glitter glue. So anyway, this is what the, what did I say this was? Bright red. I did a little sample here with red paint. With it on the red paint, you can see how it glitters nice. And then this is what it's like. It looks like if you just, I gotta see what is going. Why is this not wanting to focus right? Come on, camera, what's going on? I don't know. You know, I'm gonna pause this video and make sure I have everything set here right because something just doesn't seem right. So hang on. I don't know. It just may be the lighting in here right now. It's very glary. But anyway, I just put some red paint behind these, and the green I did. Now this green actually is not showing up good because I got some of the paint. I don't know why it's not focusing. I might want to shut this one light off here. I guess it's pretty good right now. But anyway, this is what it looks like without the paint under it. Actually, I did another, what am I trying to say? Another example of it without the paint behind it. I don't know what to say. It's been a long day. But anyway, this is kind of what it looks like with nothing behind it. But then when you have, you know, paint and you paint over it. Now this, like I said, this stuff does not, like the glitter glue will, you know, flake and come off. I mean, a teeny weeny bit, maybe you'll get a piece here and there, but seriously, nothing. So they're really nice. And this one actually here is the gold. They have a gold metallic paint, which is pretty nice too. I only did one coat, but then I put the gold glitter on with that. So this is what all these glitter glues look like. We have the green, what's this one called? Bright green glitter. Then we have the gold glitter, and we have crystal glitter. That one's pretty nice. I wish it would have showed up a little bit better. I was a little disappointed in the crystal glitter because even on the white paint, I put 2 coats of the crystal glitter, and just it's not showing up as nice as I thought it would. But it's not bad. I gotta say, none of these are really bad. You definitely need like some paint behind it for it to show up nicely, or you know, whatever you're doing. There's also a silver glitter. I just put some gray paint on with that one, and that's without the paint. And yeah, and was there not a, no, because that was it. All right. Oh no, here it is. I thought I didn't do, wait a minute. This one, yeah, this one's pink glitter. Sorry. Back here, and then I just put on, but you can see it does have a nice shine to it. But I do like it because it doesn't shed. So that are my, I'm telling you, I should have just went to bed. That's my thoughts on these glitter paints. They're not bad. They don't shed bad. They still kind of have the look of like glitter glue, but like I said, they are a paint, so they're not shedding like, you know, a glitter glue would shed. So let's move these over a little bit. I'm surprised little P isn't wanting to attack these. You're just going to leave everything alone today? Are you being a good boy? No, you're not, because I had no choice but to bring you in here today. All right, this stuff here, this is actually my second jar of this. This is the Cotton Candy Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. This stuff, I love this stuff. It smells so good. You can see I already started on my second one here. But I'll tell you what, if you have like rough feet or something like that, you soak your feet, you rub it with this stuff, and it smells so good and it works great. It's very, very, you know, gritty. If you use it on your face, you got to do it gently because, it, you know, it's very, very gritty, but it does the job. It exfoliates. You know, you got some rough elbows or something. I love this stuff. So I recommend this Cotton Candy Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Who makes this? Can I even see it? Global Beauty Care. That's what it is. So yes, I'm a big fan of this if anybody wants to try that. And just keep in mind, these are just my opinions. I don't want to get in trouble with anybody because somebody else may absolutely hate this stuff, but just my opinion. Now the spray for the peppermint sage spray, this stuff smells really good. It cleans really well. I used it on my stovetop and stuff. The only thing I don't like about this is that it does not kill any germs. It's just a spray on surface, wipe clean, enjoy. It smells really nice. Here are the ingredients. Please focus, camera, because I can't read all these ingredients here because mainly I can't see them, but you guys probably can on the screen if you want to freeze that. So that'll kind of tell you what's in there. But yeah, it smells great. I love it. And it cleans really, really well, like I said. It just does not disinfect anything. That's unless peppermint disinfects naturally. I'm not sure. But yeah, and I have a lot of other cleaning things here. I have a lot of the Oxidol. This is the Oxygen Orange. And this one here is the Cleaner Plus Bleach. Now these do have a strong scent, so I've been using these outside. We've been cleaning a lot of stuff outside, and I'm sure, you know, it's just because of the birds. I can't say that it's an awful smell or anything. They don't smell bad at all. They smell pretty good. But I try to use things in the house that don't have a really strong odor. But anyway, this stuff I used on one of my cushions outside that was all kind of gross and had like green stuff that builds up on it, you know, like algae, whatever it is that builds up on the cushions. They were fabric cushions. So I hung them over my fence and I wet them down and I sprayed them with this stuff and scrubbed them with a brush and they came out as good as new. So love this stuff. It works really good. And now this one I used actually on my front porch. We were painting, and this is the one with bleach. And I used these on my my railings. They're not wood, they're like PVC kind of railings. And I sprayed it with this stuff, and I'll tell you what, that stuff it just fell off. It cleaned it so nice. So I only have good things to say about these. This one says it removes soap, scum, grease, and tough stains. And this one's just an all-purpose degreaser and spot remover. And definitely, I'll tell you what, it really removed all that stuff from those fabric cushions. So these are a keeper. I do have a couple more Oxidol products that I have not tried yet. I think it's the Orange Oxygen or something. And I don't remember what the other one is, but I will get to those eventually here. I tried this blue and bleach little tablet here that you put in your toilet tank to keep your toilet clean. Not a huge fan. Says it has a fresh scent, but you know what? Only like in the very, very beginning. And let me tell you what, my water was like this blue. It actually caught me off guard when I lifted up the toilet seat. I'm like, oh my God, it was very, very blue, but you know, as it kind of wore out, it got lighter blue and lighter blue. But I didn't notice any, you know, help of it. It says toilet bowl cleaner. I mean, I didn't see it to really do anything else except turn my water blue and smell kind of nice. But yeah, would I purchase this again? Probably not. I mean, I will just swish around and clean my toilet like I always do without the deep blue water. But, you know, if you like that, that's fine. I can't say that it was awful. It's just something that I don't think I would get again. What you doing, Pig? Going back up? Oh, I didn't put a paper under you. Oh, let me get it before I upset, because these birds, they poop like every 15 minutes. Don't ya? Yeah, we do lots of cleaning. All right. What else do we try? Oh, we tried these. These are the what brand are these? Is it saying stain remover wipes? Manufactured for Rejoice International. But anyway, these are little stain remover wipes. They come in a little packet. I've only used 2, but let me tell you what, they really work. So I haven't really had too many stains I had to use them on. They say do not flush these down the toilet. One I used on my carpet, there was a stain, and it took it off. And the other one I used on my grandson's shorts, I believe, when he was here. He got blood on his shorts. So we took one of these, and it literally pretty much took it all out. So, and then it washed right out. So these I do recommend. These are great. You can toss, you know, a couple in your car, whatever you need to do if you need to wipe something off. Even, yeah, it says for traveling, at the office, in the car. Yeah. Blot stains do not rub. Well, you know what? I rubbed the heck out of it, and I probably should read the directions before, but here, let me show you all this stuff here. If you guys want to pause, and then here are all the ingredients that are in this little guy here. Again, just pause the video if you want to read those. But yeah, love those. We'll definitely rebuy those. Now this stuff here, this is the coconut oil moisturizing cream with vitamin E. I love this stuff. I actually put some on my hands before I started here, and it's like, it's not greasy. I mean, you can feel it, that it's soft. It doesn't really, you know, like make you shiny or anything. It just feels nice. So yeah, I really like this stuff. It said it's made with natural coconut oil. And yeah, definitely would buy more of this. But oh, I don't even know if I can get that too. Personal, where are ingredients on this thing? I don't know. It says manufactured for Delta Brands Incorporated. It says great for elbows, body, knees, hands, and feet. Ooh, I need to put some of this on my feet after I use my exfoliating stuff. Get back up there. What are you doing? Being goofy? I don't have anything in here for you. You were just being such a bad boy. I had to bring you in here. Keep you quiet. But yeah, this is a 6-ounce jar. And where are the directions? Oh, right down here is the ingredients. Let me try to get that up there. If I can get the whole thing in there. So there's your ingredients for that. Yes, definitely will be a repurchase for that one. Now these body washes, they're okay. These are the Spa Luxury body wash. This is the vanilla sugar scent. It smells really, really good. It smells pretty nice when you're using it, but I just feel like after it makes my bathroom smell good, I'll tell you that much. It smells wonderful in there. But I don't smell anything like on my skin after I get dried off or anything. You don't have that like, nice little scent to it. It seems to like go away really quick, but I can't complain about it. There's nothing wrong with it. It lathers up pretty good. Somebody asked me about the ingredients on these too, so let me pop this up here. I'm hoping this is focusing good. So you guys can see the ingredients on that one. And then the cherry blossom, this stuff smells so wonderful. So even though it doesn't like, last a super long time, the scent, and which sometimes you won't unscrew for me now, my hand's got lotion on them. I mean, sometimes you don't really want a lot of scent either because, you wear perfumes or whatever, body sprays. But yeah, it smells so good. Let me tell you what, once you're done, you walk out of that bathroom, you go back in there about a half hour later, it's like, ooh, that's nice. But yeah, this is the cherry blossom scent. So let me pop up the ingredients on here because I know a lot of people ask me, and there you go. But yeah, I like them. I'm a fan. I don't know that I would buy them again because, I'm just like that. It's like I'll try something and then... But nothing wrong with them. They work great. They clean you up and everything. The last thing I have here for this review is these marble loaf cake. I didn't like these. I thought they were absolutely awful. I know some people said they were good, but when you get that chocolate, it just has that off taste. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. There's some Aldi's brands too with their chocolate. It's just like an off, it's just weird taste to me. But, somebody else might absolutely love these. But they were very dry, very, they were just very dry. Let me put it that way. but they looked real pretty. And this loaf, it's very deceiving because this little thing, it's only about, like yay big when you open it up. But, yeah, I was not a fan. So that was my thoughts on these things here. I will get to more of these things. I know you guys are always asking me, but, a lot of the stuff I just haven't gotten to yet. But I figured bring P in here. He could say hi. We'll say hi, everybody. Huh? Yeah, I know. But I wanted to get those glitter paints. I wanted to tell you guys because people have been asking me what I thought of them. And I just got to them the other day here. I'm making my little sample board. And, yeah. So what do you think, Pay? It's almost your bedtime. Is that why you're cranky? I get cranky when it's almost bedtime, too. Yeah. So I figured just to keep peace in the house, because he'll start screaming, and then he'll get the other ones yelling, and then, it's just... And I'm so... Oh, look at that pin feather coming. You getting a nice brand new... Oh, it fell off the casing. You're going to have a nice pretty... He's like, leave my pin feathers alone. You're going to have a nice pretty new feather. Yes, you are. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little quick review here. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a Dollar Tree haul. So have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, P.